Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock Texas McNeil area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's McNeil area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock Texas McNeil service, car, truck, SUV repair quote. If you have ever before needed to have your automobile took a look at or fixed, you will understand that there are a lot of firms that provide car body repair work solutions, so just how do you limit your? Below are a couple of tips to aid you. Has the firm stayed in business for a long period of time? Family members possessed companies are typically given and also have excellent credibility along with top quality solution. They are very competent and also take their work directly. Typically, they delight in return profession or profession comes their means with little advertising and marketing or advertising and marketing, yet by word of mouth from very completely satisfied consumers. That is one advertising and marketing solution you cannot defeat. Nonetheless, the firm ought to still have a net visibility. Is the job assured? Among the main points you ought to take into consideration from a top quality car body service center is the warranty. This is vital, as without a warranty any kind of malfunctioning handiwork will certainly not be corrected, and also you might find yourself needing to pay an additional company to place it right. Does the firm have excellent customer support? The characteristic of a top quality firm is the means it manages its consumers along with its possible consumers. A firm that is fast and also respectful to reply to all questions with equivalent focus to information makes certain to offer a top quality solution. Does the firm have a conclusive record? Numerous firms established and also placed a couple of reviews on their website, and also these can be fake. There is no other way to inform if they are real or otherwise, so although reviews are terrific, do not position a lot focus on them. Does the firm have call information on the site? This is essential so you can call them either by phone or by email. Keep means from firms that just have an email internet kind to finish without various other methods of call readily available. Does the firm provide top quality repair work to a series of various makes and also versions of automobile? This might be something that you had not considered, yet might be vital in identifying whether the firm you pick can manage your repair work. Just how rapidly can the repair work be carried out? Certainly you desire a top quality work, yet if you need to leave your automobile in the car service center for weeks, this might be a trouble with different traveling prices. You will certainly require to work with automobile to make use of whilst your own is being fixed, and also time is cash. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.